Namaste dear students. So, can we do one more problem of a quadratic trend? So, in the last class we did one problem when the number of observations was odd, isn't it? So, if odd number of observations are coming means we can get the middlemost time point. Middlemost time point is taken as 0, other values we are taking as -1, -2, here we are taking as 1, 2, 3 like that, isn't it? So, can we do one more problem which contains even number of observations. So, the following is the time series of turnover. Second problem, the following is time series of turnover in crore rupees, of a business firm, year turnover in crore rupees, it is given in the question itself. So, I am not writing again. 1999, next 2000, next 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Here 6, 9, 11, 7, 7, 10 in crore rupees. Find the question was find the likely turnover. For the year, likely turnover for the year 2005 by fitting a quadratic trend. Okay. So, what I have to do? First listen here. Year, the following are the turnover in crore rupees of a business firm. We have to fit a quadratic trend and we have to obtain the likely value of 2005. So, estimating also there. So, here number of observations how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. So, middlemost time point we won't get. We have to take a middlemost 2 time points as -1 and +1. Next, how many difference are? 2 difference. -3, -5, here 1, 3, 5. Like that now. Yes, I will write here solution. So, here n equal to 6 is an even number. Therefore, values of x are taken as below. I will write -1 and +1 we are writing there only, taken as below. Okay, first year, next turnover in crore rupees, that is actually y. Next x square, x cube, x to the power 4, xy, x square y. Okay. Here it is 1999, next 2000, next 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Last total also there, total is required. Here it is 6, 9, 11, 7, 7, 10. Okay. X middlemost 2 time points how I am taking? Here it is -1, here it is a plus 1. Next not 1 difference, it is 2 difference. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, 1, 3, 5. Correct na? Next x square. X square is a minus 5 square, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. X cube. X cube means x into x square. Minus 125, 9 3s are minus 27, minus 1, 1, correct na? X to the power 4, x to the power 4 means x square whole square, 25 25s are 625, 9 9s are 81, 1 1, 9 9s are 81, 25 25s are 625. Next x into y, 6 into minus 5, minus 30, 9 into minus 3, minus 27, 11 into minus 1, minus 11, 7 into 1, 7, 7 3s are 21, 10 5s are 50, correct na? Next x square y, x square into y, 6 into 25, 150. Next x square into y, 9 9s are 81. X square this one, y is this one, 81, right? Next 11, next 7, next 63, next 250. So all the totals we have to find. Before that I will check once. Okay, x same, x square 25, 9, 1 1 9 25, minus 125, minus 27, minus 1 127, correct. 625, 85, 81, 1 1 81, 65, 625, minus 30, minus 27, minus 11, 7, 21, 50, correct. Yes, sigma x, sigma y is 50. Sigma x 0, sigma x cube again 0, this one 25, 25, 50, 60, 70, right? 70. Next this is 1 4, 1 4. Next it is 0, sigma xy 0. Okay, last one is 562. Okay. Clear na? This much clear na? Yes. So first what we did, how much columns you just remember? This one and this one, however it will be there. The second one is denoted by y. Next mid x, that is actually mid time points, that is x, x square, x cube, x to the power 4, xy, x square, y. All the totals also we have to find. Next as usual, let y equal to a plus bx plus cx square be the quadratic trend equation. Quadratic trend equation. Then the normal equations are, the normal equations are sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square, sigma xy equal to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square plus c into sigma x cube. Last sigma x square y equal to a into sigma x square plus b into sigma x cube plus c into sigma x to the power 4. Okay. On substitution, next substitute the values. On substitution, the equations are, which and all? Sigma y, total of y is 50. 50 equal to n is 6, 6 into a plus b into sigma x is 0, c into sigma x square is 70, 70c. Next one, sigma xy total 0 equal to a into sigma x 0, sigma x square is 70, 70 into b plus c into sigma x cube is actually 0. Sigma x square y total 562 equal to a into sigma x square is 70 plus b into sigma x cube plus c into sigma x to the power 4, 1414 c. Hope this much is clear to you. So here what we did, we first wrote the normal equations, then we substituted all the values which we know except a, b and c. Okay. Next, from the second equation directly we are getting the, I am getting the value of which one, b. Then first, after solving first and third equation, this is actually first equation, second equation, third equation. We are getting the value of, can I write there only? Okay, so that it will be visible to you for some time. So from the first equation is actually 6a plus constant I am writing in the right side, 6a plus it is 0, 70c equal to 50. This is first equation. Second equation is 70b equal to 0. Third equation is 70a plus 1414c equal to 562. This is a third equation. Correct now? From the second equation we are getting the value of 70b. Sigma xy, see here, sigma xy is actually 20, okay, 20. Sigma xy is 20, so here we are getting a 20, okay. Sigma xy is 20, so 70b equal to 20 here, equation number 2. Correct na? So from equation number 2, b equal to how much? 20, 70b equal to, see you just add this one, sigma xy minus 30 minus 27 minus 11 plus 7 plus 21 plus 50. Okay. So after doing we are getting total as 20. So sigma from the second equation, b equal to 20 divided by 70. 20 divided by 70 is 0.2857. 0.2857. So next we have to solve the equations for a and c. So that is first equation and third equation. Can I rub this one? See, I will rub this one. So these much columns are required, you remember that much. Okay, that is first equation is, I will write here 6a plus 70c equal to 50. That is first equation. Third equation is 70a plus 1414c equal to 562, it seems, right? Equation number 3. Correct na? 562, that is equation number 3. So what I have to do? So to make the coefficients equal, first equation into 70 I have to do, third equation into 6, so that the coefficients will be equal, or else you have to see this one that we do not know how much to divide, so better you do this one only. So first equation into 70 implies 420a plus 7 7s are 49. 00c equal to equation number 4. Correct na? Second, next third equation into how much? 6. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಯ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 6 ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಸ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 70 ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟಿಗೆ 6ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟಿಗೆ 70ಇಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 70 ಇಂಟು 6 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು correct na 1414 into 6 8484 C correct na equal to 3 into 6 into this one equation number 5 correct na. Yes, next equation number this one minus this one we can do, so we will get however one will be negative it seems, either C is negative it seems, so however this one 4 minus 5 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, 4 minus 5 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು or 5 minus 4 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 4 minus 5 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 420a minus 420a becomes 0. This one minus this one you will get one negative quantity equal to 3500 minus 3372. From that equation, see I am getting the value of C equal to minus 0.0357. Clear na? Nothing here. What I did is 420a minus 420a, it will be 0. Next 4900C minus 8484C, isn't it? That together actually, so together adrinda here I will get minus negative one quantity equal to this one minus this one again, this is actually positive. So one negative, one positive, here we will get negative. Next put C equal to minus 0.0357 in any of the equation. ಯಾವ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಥರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಫೋರ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎನಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ಟ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. 6a plus 70 into C minus 0.0357 equal to 50. So from this equation 6a equal to one value I will get, a equal to answer is 8.75. A equal to 8.75. Clear na? Yes, A equal to 8.75. So from that we got the value of A, B and C, all three over. Next we have to substitute these values in the trend equation. So after finding the trend equation, we have to estimate the value for one more year. It is given, estimate also there. So first next I will rub this one. Okay, therefore quadratic trend equation is, or quadratic trend is y equal to a we got a equal to 8.75 plus a plus bx, b is 0.2857x plus cx square, c is actually negative, so I am writing negative here only, cx square, c is 0.0357 x square, a plus bx plus cx square. Clear na? Yes. Next put x equal to, estimate the likely turnover for estimate of what is this one, turnover for the year 2005, isn't it? See 2005 ಗೆ 2004 ಗೆ x value 5, this is even 135. Next how much? Next it is 7, correct na? 135 ಆಯಿತು, next is 7. So 1, 3, 5 agi, next 7, 2005 itself they gave, so x equal to 7, x equal to 7. For 2005, x equal to 7. So it is a y cap 2005, right, equal to 8 point ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು, ರೈಟ್. 8.75 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2857 ಇಂಟು 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 0.0357 into 7 7s are 49. So in the calculator you have to do, this is actually minus, so idu maduvaga you will get one quantity, this one also you have to do, next this one also. So final answer is 12.4992, 12.49992, that much crore, correct na? Yes, that much crore rupees, that much crore rupees. So hope this is quadratic trend clear to you. So quadratic trend, in quadratic trend what and all we did, we have to remember the normal equations. Y equal to a plus bx plus cx square be the quadratic trend equation. Then the normal equations, 3 normal equations are there, 3 normal equations you have to remember. So after that what we are doing, here next what is the variable given, that is taken as y, next one column for x, next x square, x cube, x to the power 4, xy, x square y, all the totals we have to find. Normal equations you have to remember, that one thing you have to remember, normal equations. Then midpoints, depending upon the time points, not midpoints, time points we are taking, that is x value actually, x we are taking in such a way that sigma x equal to 0. If it is odd means we are getting 0, minus 1, minus 2 like that. If it is even means number of years even means it is minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, 1, 3, 5 like that. Okay, totals we have to find. So after that x square, next x cube, next x to the power 4, xy, x square y. So after that we are substitute in the normal equations. Normal equations you have to remember yourself. After that we are finding the value of a, b, c. From the second equation directly we are getting the value of b. The values of a and c are obtained after solving first equation and third equation. So we got a, b, c. Next substitute in the trend equation a, b, c values. Next after putting different values of x in the trend equation we are getting trend values. So estimate also we are doing in the same way. So that also ಆ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್, ಆಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. So hope this quadratic trend is clear to you. In the next class, last one exponential trend we are going to discuss. Thank you.